Hi, welcome back to Fly High Cruise Farm. We all know Shenzhen as the leading global technology hub, sometimes called China's Silicon Valley. And it's famous as the shopping and dining paradise a stone's throw from Hong Kong. Usually tourists visit Shenzhen as a stopover between Hong Kong and other parts of China, or as a day trip from Hong Kong as it's a very convenient gateway. Today, I would like to share these 5 experiences that are unique to Shenzhen, which you cannot find anywhere else in China, maybe not even in the world, that you have to try out on your next visit. Before we start, please click on the subscribe button if you have not already done so to give us your support. Thank you so much. Do you dare to step into the ghost market of Shenzhen? It opens only at night from around 11 and ends before dawn. And nope, you cannot find, buy or sell any ghosts here. It's an infamous night market for fake goods. And it's called the ghost market because of its opening hours at night and also the elusive nature of the goods being sold there. It used to be located on a street in Huatiangbei, but after too many raids, they have recently moved to this underground space at the Science Museum metro station. You can take line 1 to the Science Museum station. Find exit A and take an escalator up to the entrance of the Ghost Museum. After 11:30, when the metro station has closed, you can only access the Ghost Market via this entrance from the street level. Walk down the stairs from here to the Ghost Market. In this ghost market, everything looks genuine but are in fact fakes. From the AirPods to the Gucci perfume to the Comme des Garçons t-shirt to the sparkling Rolex King, nothing is genuine. Even the shoppers mingling with you could be the stall owner putting up a show in front of you to make the prices of that product that you are looking at more attractive. So usually you take a seat in front of the stall, you can test out the product, whether it's a Rolex or a Chanel perfume or an LV bag, and then you bargain and you bargain and you bargain to get the price that you want, or walk away if it's not met. Most of the time, if you walk away, the stall owners will call you back. So if you are just browsing with no intention to buy, please do not bargain with them. So even though the branded goods you see are fakes, the quality can be pretty good. If you know what you're looking for, especially for luxury watches, you may be able to get a AAA grade Submariner that professionals may not be able to tell that it's an imitation without taking it apart. So whether or not you intend to buy a genuine fake watch, do go walk around the ghost market, have a look-see at how the store owners try to run circles around their customers, and how some shoppers get a quality product for a bargain. When you are in Shenzhen, you must indulge in the top bubble tea brands, whether you're a fan or not. 2 of China's top bubble tea brands originated from Shenzhen, and some of the drinks offered here cannot be found in other parts of China and the world. The number 1 most popular brand of bubble tea is HEYTEA, and their signature drinks are the cheese tea and fruit tea. I highly recommend that you try out the hand crushed lemon and dark shit tea, which you cannot find outside of China. It's super refreshing and perfect after a hot day out. The next most popular brand is Nayuki, also originating from Shenzhen. Famous for its fruit teas brewed using the best tea leaves. Their strawberry cheese tea is a must-try for that unique tangy, sweet and savory combination. Ama Handmade is a Shenzhen brand which you may not find elsewhere. They brew unique mochi tea drinks where each sip fills your mouth with fragrant tea and silky sweet mochi. You have to give it a try. Only in Shenzhen can you order a cup of bubble tea and have it delivered to you by a drone. This unique drone delivery is operated by delivery giant Meituan, and it offers a quick delivery under 15 minutes. We went to one of the designated drone delivery kiosks to try out ourselves. You have to first download the Meituan app in your phone, and using that, you can find the nearest drone delivery kiosk. We went to the one in Shenzhen Central Park, which was about 5 minutes walk from Huatiangbei. It's really easy. You scan the QR code, select the drone delivery option, and then choose what you want from the menus available. Complete the payment and then wait for the drone to come in. When the drone is sent out, you will get a notification on the app, and then you will see the top of the kiosk opening up to await the drone's landing. The delivery box is dropped into the kiosk and the drone flies back to wherever it's supposed to go. We then retrieve the delivery with the pin that has been sent to you, and voila! A nice cold bubble tea is in my hands. Customers are encouraged to fold up the delivery boxes and drop them off in this bin which is next to the kiosk so that it can be reused. As mentioned earlier, many tourists and locals alike flock to Shenzhen to do their shopping of electronic products. Probably the cheapest in the whole of China, you can expect to get a power bank for as little as 30 renminbi, Bluetooth headsets for 39 renminbi, and much more. Huatiangbei is the electronics wholesale market of China, and it sells everything from spare parts such as resistors and batteries to the newest iPhones to the latest laptops. There are many buildings in Huatiangbei and each specializes in different stuff. To buy handphone cases, covers and screen protectors, the best place is in Longshen. Computers, laptops and their accessories can be found mostly in SAC. If you are shopping for drones, cameras, Bluetooth speakers, power banks, hair dryers and other consumer products, the best place to go is Huaqiang Mall. You can always bargain with the stall owner for a better price, and do remember to try out the products before you leave the shop. The shops here open from around 11 AM to about 6-7 PM, so please plan your day accordingly. Away from the high-tech center of Huatiangbei and the Futian shopping district is a place where dreams are made and fame is achieved. The Dongmen shopping street is well known for cheap bags, clothing and shoe shopping, but it is also now a live stream street. Any time of the day and night, expect to see groups of singing and dancing live streamers performing their hearts out here. From the young and trendy doing dances in short sexy outfits to elderly seniors pelting their hearts out, it is chaotic, noisy but so much fun. If you want to, just walk up to any of the live streamer and join in their song or dance or interact with them. Here you can try out your hand at live streaming or do a duet with your favorite live streamer. Besides these 5 unique experiences that I have shared, Shenzhen has loads to offer too. You can scale a skyscraper to get a bird's eye view of Shenzhen from the 116th floor of the Ping An Financial Center. Visit the world in a day at Windows of the World theme park, where there are replicas of iconic landmarks such as the Eiffel Tower, Sydney Opera House, Taj Mahal and more. You can also escape the city and hike up Wutongshan or relax on the beach at Dameisha. Perhaps time travel back at the Dapeng Fortress, also known as the Dapeng Ancient City. And many more that you can easily explore using their well-connected metro system. When you're planning your trip to Shenzhen, give it a couple more days and explore the unique experiences that I have shared, and let us know in the comments which is your favorite. Please also share with us what else you like to do in Shenzhen, or perhaps your favorite dining spots. We would love to hear from you. Please do subscribe to our channel for more content on travel and itinerary planning. Thank you for watching today's video, and should you have any questions about travel in Shenzhen or China, Let us know in the comments below and I will reply as best as I can. See you soon. Thank you. Bye.